Welcome to our channel. If you've decided to permanently delete your Tinder account and remove your profile from the platform, follow these simple steps to complete the deletion process. Step 1. Open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile and settings menu. Step 3. Tap on Settings, usually represented by a gear icon. Scroll down through the settings menu to find account management options. Step 4. Look for an option that says Delete Account, Remove Account, or similar wording. This is usually located near the bottom of the settings menu. Step 5. Tap on Delete Account and Tinder will ask you to confirm your decision. They may show you reasons to stay or offer to pause your account instead. Step 6. If you're sure you want to delete your account permanently, select the option to proceed with deletion. Tinder may ask you to provide a reason for leaving. Step 7. Confirm your account deletion one final time. Your Tinder account will be permanently deleted, including all your matches, messages, and profile information. If you want to use Tinder again in the future, you'll need to create a completely new account. Remember that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.